You know, life just kind of threw me a couple of curveballs lately, and I've been dealing with just a lot.
Don't fucking sigh. Don't you sigh. Hits record.
I'm already tired of vlogging. Hello world, and welcome back to another.
I wouldn't say, I mean, you haven't posted a vlog in a century. We forgot about you, Adelia.
I was trying to do a fun intro and you ruined it.
What the f has been up? How about, sorry, I haven't been here for 6 months. I moved into a place. I got COVID. I've dated 2 guys.
Mark! I'm not putting that in the vlog. Beep! Hello world, and welcome back to another exciting vlog. How are you guys? Been a min.
It's been a min. It's been 6 f***ing months, Adelia.
It's been 5. Shh.
I check your page every day and I see no upload, no upload, no upload, and I'm like, where is Adelia been?
Do you really?
No.
Nice. I'm back.
For good or for like...
I'm back for good. There's gonna be vloggies up
What?
the booty hole.
What did you miss about not vlogging?
Honestly, the editing.
Yeah?
Yeah, I missed editing and sitting there and like rewatching like the funny moments that I would film, and yeah, it was fun. Beep. Okay, let's just get into this vlog, people. Hello world. I just woke up and took a shower, as you can see. Let's make some coffee, shall we? I have my Nespresso and my pods and my frother, but I think I'm gonna use my press. And then my electric kettle, which comes in handy and is so fast. All right, let's do this. I guess I can give you guys a little mini tour of what my apartment looks like at the moment. I don't like doing it, but everyone's been asking, and to be honest, you guys, you have no idea how long it takes for furniture to get delivered to you. It takes like 4, 5, or even 6 weeks for shit to come in. Anyways, let's look at what my apartment looks at the moment, and there's still a couple of boxes around. I just tried the like garlic snack that is going viral on TikTok right now, but Mark's about to come over and I'm gonna have him try it now. Okay, so I tried something this morning and now I want you to try it and see if you like it.
I'm not doing anal.
What? Don't tell people that. I tried the garlic thing on TikTok.
Oh, this girl on TikTok went viral for eating whole jars of pickled garlic with like sriracha and shit.
Mm-hmm.
You made it?
Yeah. Don't.
I hate garlic. Oh my god. Not terrible, but it's just, it's not good. Like I wouldn't just sit here and eat a whole damn jar of this shit.
I know, people.
This is not good.
So I've been a little down lately. Some photos today and I really want you to look at them and just boost up my mood. Okay, first photo.
Sheesh! Girls know their angles, man. She can look like this and then look like that. Why don't you ever wear that shit?
All right guys, look at my outfit for the day. It is literally the cutest thing ever. reason why I am wearing these overalls like this is because I ordered them thinking that they were gonna fit me perfectly, but they're too small. And if I pull them up, they literally go up my butt. Do you like my outfit, guys?
I think it looks dope. Can you style me? Can we do a video where I give you a budget and then you go buy me shit?
What if you don't like any of the shit I get?
Then you're fired.
Well, first of all, get a new colored beanie, please.
What do you want from me? Okay?
This is why I don't dress him. Hi, guys. It's been a minute. I just kind of wanted to talk about what's kind of been going on in life lately and a little update. This is weird being in front of the camera because I haven't vlogged in so long. I think I just needed a little bit of a break. I think I just got a little bit overwhelmed and distracted with other things. I was just a little confused, I think. And I kind of, just want to be super transparent with everybody and just kind of tell everyone, like if something's happening in my life and I see everybody DMing me like, where are your vlogs? Where are your vlogs? It makes me happy seeing those messages. Life just kind of threw me a couple of curveballs lately and I've been dealing with just a lot. I do live by myself now, so it is a little hard at times because sometimes I don't have anybody to talk to. I'm not used to it because I always have Lyra who's right down the hall, so it's gonna take time to get used to living alone and to figure out like a plan for myself every day. Everything is going to be a-okay. Life throws you things that it knows you're gonna get through and you're gonna come out of it stronger than ever and you're gonna come out of this being a badass nugget. I'm gonna be like, ha, I did it. I'm just gonna focus on being happy and keeping myself happy and doing things that make me happy. And yeah, that is all I have to say. Also, thank you for everybody that's still here and watching my vlogs. I seriously appreciate you guys so much. And it's just been such a crazy ride from the beginning. I pretty much started YouTube around this time last year, which is so crazy. But I am gonna start to post my vlogs or any kind of like cute little makeup hauls, clothing hauls, and you'll see a lot more of me. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.